Alright friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to compare the benchmark test comparison between the Redmi Note 12 with a 210 watts fast charging capabilities mobile phone versus POCO F3 GT with the Dimensity 1200. So Dimensity 1200 versus Dimensity 1080 processor which is present in this device, and this is exact model which I'm trying to use, which is 210 watts fast charging capabilities which I'm trying to use, which is a Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition. As you can see, that's what the model I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And right now let me need to do the side-by-side comparison with this POCO F3 GT. So POCO F3 GT versus Redmi Note 12. Dimensity 1080 versus Dimensity 1200 processor. That's what I'm going to observe the difference, what you can actually expect regarding the overall benchmark scores without using any high performance mode. So I'm not using any kind of performance mode while performing this kind of testing. So without using any performance mode, we'll try to do the testing, because there is hidden option in the battery settings where you can actually use the performance mode to boost the scores. But right now I'm not using any of those, and I'm trying to do the test comparison side by side. So let's do the test. Right now the test has been started successfully between these both phones, and now we'll try to see the difference, how much you can actually expect between these both models regarding the overall benchmark wise. So that's what I'm going to compare side by side between these both phones. So Dimensity 1080 processor versus Dimensity 1200, and we'll try to see the overall difference between these both phones regarding the temperatures as well. And again, I'll be back after some time again to check the overall results, what's going on. Right now, as you can see, friends, this is benchmark percentage 62% at this moment, and we'll try to find out what you can actually expect regarding the benchmark scores, so without any high performance mode. So previously in my testings, I did find out that if you try to use a high performance mode, the benchmarks will increase. So without using high performance mode, let's do the test first, and then later we'll try to do the high performance mode, and then we'll try to see the difference. But right now, regarding the temperatures, let me try to bring the closer look. You'll be able to see the temperature differences, what's going on between this both phones. Battery temperature is 31 degrees, CPU temperature you can see 32 degrees, and 30 degrees and 25 degrees is the battery temperature. You can see 26 degrees, how it's maintaining overall. And I'm going to be back at the end of the benchmark test results again to check the overall temperatures, what's going on between these both phones. So I'm going to be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, final benchmark score, these are the scores are exactly, and you can see the battery dropped and regarding the temperatures and everything between these both processors. So Dimensity 1200 slightly high temperatures 32 degrees and 26.7 degrees Celsius. You can see the difference how it is, and you can see the CPU scores between these both phones and overall score difference as well. So there's close to 2 lakhs difference is there regarding the benchmark scores, and the GPU scores 243 versus 134. So this is a quick benchmark test comparison between these both models regarding the comparison of the processors without using any performance mode. Next time I'll definitely use the performance mode, and then I'll try to do the testing. So until then, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching, and bye.